Hello guys! In this video tutorial, we will show you how the video conference feature works on the mobile device. Open the app on your device and tap the video conference feature. You'll be redirected to the login page. If you want, you can directly join the meeting without signing in or by tapping Join Meeting. Here you just need to enter the meeting ID URL, name and email. You can enable or disable the Join Meeting option from the backend. You can also join the meeting after signing into your account. If you want to start or host the meeting, you need to sign in or create an account with the same email address as the one registered from the backend or web. If you have already created an account, sign in, else sign up. For now, let's sign up for the account. Enter your name, email, address, phone number, and password in the respective field. Please make sure the email address entered here is the same as the one registered from the backend or web. After entering the details, tap Sign Up and you will receive a registration confirmation mail. You'll be redirected to the video conference dashboard. From your dashboard, you can either start a new meeting or schedule a meeting. On the dashboard, you can also view all the upcoming meetings. You can even select any date to view the meeting schedule for the specific date. Now tap New Meeting to start a meeting instantly. Turn on the Use Personal Meeting ID toggle to start an instant meeting with your personal ID and invite people to join without any prior scheduling. Since your personal room is easily accessible with the same meeting ID and personal link, you can also use it to host regular meetings. If you want to start the meeting without using the personal ID, you can turn off this toggle. For now, let's start the meeting using the auto-generated meeting ID. From here, you can enable or disable the audio and video. Once done, tap Start Meeting to begin the meeting. This will open a video preview dialog. If you want, you can turn it off. This will stop showing the video preview dialog when joining the meeting in the future. You can join the meeting with the video turned on or off. Let's join without the video. However, you can turn on the video during the meeting also. So once done, you will be redirected to the video conference screen. In order to hear the participant's voice or allow the participant to hear your voice, you need to tap Join Audio. You can mute the audio or long press the audio or mute tap to disconnect the audio. If the audio is disconnected, neither you will be able to hear the participant's voice nor will the participants be able to hear your voice. On tapping Video Conference here, you can view the meeting details such as the meeting ID, name of the host, invitation link, and the participation ID. From here, you can either enable or disable the speaker. Once the participants have joined your meeting, you'll be able to see the participants on this screen. You can swipe this screen to view all the participants in the grid view. Please note that a maximum of 50 participants can join the meeting at a time. You can also tap Participant at the bottom right to view the list of participants. If you want to search for a particular participant, you can enter the name in the search box and search. You can also invite participants to the ongoing meeting via message or email. You can copy the URL and share it with the participants, or you could send it automatically, compose an email and text with the meeting information instantly. Now let's go back to the meeting screen. From here, you can mute or unmute audio, start or stop video. You can also switch between the front and the back cameras by tapping the Switch Camera button. You can tap End Call icon at the top right to cancel or end the meeting. For now, let's select the End Meeting for All option. Once done, you'll be redirected to the dashboard and notified when the end meeting confirmation alert. Not only you can set up an instant meeting with this feature, but you can also schedule a meeting. Let's schedule a meeting. You can need to provide the meeting topic and detailed meeting description. Now select the date and starting time to schedule the meeting. Set the meeting duration and select your time zone from the drop-down menu. If you want the users to join the meeting without any password, you can turn off this toggle. If you want to enable the meeting password, then a random password will be generated in the meeting password field. If you want, you can change the password as per your needs. The user will need to enter the same password when joining the meeting. Once done, tap Save. From here, you can invite participants via message or email services. You can also copy the meeting URL and share it with the users. On the meeting details screen, you can check the meeting information such as meeting time and duration, meeting ID, description, date and time, password, and the meeting URL. Tap Add Invite button to invite participants via mail or message. If you want, you can copy the meeting URL and paste it where you would like to share it. You can start the scheduled meeting by tapping the Start button. From here, you can permanently delete the meeting. If you want to edit or update the meeting details, tap the Edit icon here. Make the necessary changes and tap Save to continue. Now tap the Back button to go back to the dashboard. You can see the meeting that you just created. Next, tap Meetings to view your personal room and all the past and upcoming meetings. You can even select a date for which you want the meetings to be displayed. You can slide left the selected meeting to delete it or slide right to start the scheduled meeting. You can tap Start New Meeting to start a meeting instantly using the personal meeting ID or tap Schedule to schedule a new meeting. Now tap Settings. Here you can view the terms and conditions and privacy policy. That's how the video conference feature works on the mobile device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.